G'day guys, it's Dave Casey from SWL Racing here. You may have seen I've got a brand new Isuzu D-Max and I plan on doing my fair share of time with it. To get it ready for that, I'm going to be fitting a brand new Bendix Ultimate Tow electronic brake controller. Now why do I need an electronic brake controller? By law, anything with a gross trailer mass between 750 kilos and 2 tonne, that's the weight of the trailer with everything in it, needs to be fitted with mechanical or an electrical braking system. Anything over 2,000 kilos needs to be fitted with electric or electric over hydraulic brakes and an electric breakaway controller. Trailers fitted with electric brakes really need the option of dialing in their own braking force, especially when the loads can differ like my car trailer, which is a different beast to tow with depending on if I have my car on the back or the trailer is empty. An electronic brake controller like the Ultimate Tow's job is to activate and control the braking force supplied by the electric brakes on your trailer or caravan whenever you apply the brakes in your vehicle. This makes sure that your tow rig isn't doing all the braking work and gives you an adjustable braking bias that comes in handy for things like hill descents and to stop trailer sway. If you're not a mechanic or auto electrician, I really suggest you get one. I'm experienced on the tools, so let's rip in. You're probably sitting at home wondering what this Bendix Ultimate Tow electronic brake controller actually does. It lets you adjust your brake intensity and operate the override function. You know, for when things start getting a bit hairy or the trailer gets out of control. And using it is very, very simple. To adjust your brake intensity up, simply turn this knob clockwise, hit the brakes, feel how your trailer or your caravan's braking. But if you're not happy with it, and you want to lower your braking level, simply turn the knob back anti-clockwise until you reach your desired level. And there you have it guys. The Bendix Ultimate Tow electronic brake controller is an absolute must if you plan on towing a caravan, a trailer, or anything with electronic brakes. For more information, head to www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.